Fall is here. Let's celebrate with a pumpkin dip recipe. To start, be sure to use 100% pure canned pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. Gather your ingredients and you are ready to start. Pumpkins are technically considered a fruit. They are low in calories and fat, a great source of fiber, have more potassium than a banana, and are full of heart-healthy magnesium and iron. To save calories and fat, use lower-fat cream cheese. The bright orange color of pumpkin indicates pumpkin is loaded with beta-carotene, an important antioxidant your body converts to vitamin A, which helps your eye health and vision. Beat the first 3 ingredients together. Add the cinnamon and maple syrup and beat until smooth. After you've added the syrup and cinnamon, cover and chill for an hour. Apples are a fruit rich in pectin, a soluble fiber which aids in digestion and lowers cholesterol. Be sure to eat the peel for all the nutrients. I'm Molly Marshall, Health and Human Sciences educator with Purdue Extension in Jackson County. Thanks for watching.